Great! Here's part 3 of your original long-format English moral story. The Village of Forgotten Dreams, written for your YouTube channel Speaking Story. The Village of Forgotten Dreams. Part 3. Chapter 1. The Dream Keeper's Secret. The day after saving his dream, Lian felt different. The village of Alara looked brighter. The jars in the House of Forgotten Dreams glowed a little stronger, but Naro, the boy guardian, looked concerned. You felt the city of masks, Naro said. Not many do and come back unchanged. Lian nodded. It felt hollow. Everyone was pretending. Naro looked toward the golden tree. They were. That's where people go when they bury their dreams so deep they no longer know who they are. Then he added something strange. But not all dreams here are innocent. Some are dangerous. Lian's eyes widened. What do you mean? Naro motioned him to follow. They walked beyond the last row of houses, past a dry river, and up a rocky slope until they reached a closed iron gate, twisted and locked with thick vines. Behind the gate, the air felt colder. A pale mist curled at the ground. This, Naro whispered, is where the corrupted dreams are kept. Notch Chapter 2, The Rise of the False Dream. Lian stared beyond the gate. Inside were larger jars not glowing with warm light, but pulsing with red, black, and cold blue shadows. The air smelled burnt. These dreams, said Naro, once started pure. But their dreamers became obsessed with power, with greed, with control. The dreams twisted, consumed them, and broke their souls. Why keep them? Lian asked. To remember, Naro said. To warn those like you. Lian felt a chill in his spine. Can they escape? Naro hesitated. Not on their own. But if someone calls them, yes, that's why you must protect your dream. Lian touched his heart. I will. But far away, in the world beyond Alara, someone or something had just remembered a dream, not of beauty, but of domination. And the wind in Alara suddenly shifted. Chapter 3. The Echo in the Jar. That night, Lian wandered back to the House of Forgotten Dreams alone. He walked among the jars, glowing gently like stars. He stopped beside one jar glowing silver. Inside it was a swirling memory, a little girl painting a mountain. Her smile was full of light. But suddenly, the jar flickered violently. The girl's painting blurred. Her smile faded. The jar began to dim. Lian panicked. Wait, no! He placed his hand gently on the glass. Don't forget. The jar pulsed once and steadied. You remembered for her? Said a voice. Lian turned. The old woman stood behind him again. When you believe in someone's dream, she said softly, you can keep it alive, even if they've forgotten. She held up a hand. A small glowing orb rose from the jar and floated into the air like a firefly. This one may wake up tomorrow, she said. Thanks to you. Lian smiled. But in the farthest corner of the room, one dark jar trembled slightly unseen by all. Chapter 4. The Storm Within. The next morning, the skies above Alara turned gray. Rain fell for the first time since Lian arrived. He walked to the golden tree. Naro was already there, looking troubled. The village feels wrong, Naro said, like something old is waking. Before they could speak more, a crack of thunder echoed across the hills. Suddenly, several jars in the dream house dimmed all at once. Lian and Naro ran. Inside, chaos. Several jars lay shattered on the ground. Wisps of black smoke drifted upward. Naro gasped. No, this isn't normal. Something is breaking them. From the shadows, a voice laughed. So many dreams, so fragile. They turned. A man stepped out tall, dressed in dark gray. His face was hidden under a blank white mask, but behind it, his eyes glowed crimson. Who are you? Lian asked. The man replied slowly. I am what happens when dreams rot. He raised a hand. Another jar cracked and burst. Naro shouted, Get back! That's a corrupted! Lian stood firm. What do you want? To remind the world, the man said, that not all dreams are sweet. Some demand obedience, power, fear, and those dreams are rising again. End of part 3. Coming next. Part 4. The Chamber of Origin. In part 4, Lian faces his deepest fear, enters the realm of dream origins, and discovers a truth that could change everything.